Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking and the Smart Arrows. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. Grandpa is not a financial planner. And if you would, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so Tesla. Yep, I think we might have the potential for a golden cross today. This is going to be fun to see how this plays out. We have the potential of a golden cross coming also in NVDA here. Um, any retracement here is going to push that 50 moving average up through the 200, and when from the point where she hits down below it, you can expect about $3 from wherever it does it at to the upside at a minimum, and up to $10, $12. We've got some pretty good numbers in Tesla. $12.70 on a death cross the other day, and we've gotten $7, $8 area several times on the golden cross. So, but usually right around 3 to 7, like I say, $10, $12 is what you can anticipate, and 3 is looking like on the low side. So this thing's coming. She's angling down pretty good. It's hard to guess where they might hit, but just for instance, if they hit at 213.50, you would expect 216.50, 217 for where it's headed to, and on the video here, it's too early to tell at all yet where this thing might. It looks to me like NVIDIA might be headed for that 215 and a half. That's only Grandpa's opinion. Only Grandpa's opinion. So, yeah, let's see. What do we got going? It's been a quiet day here so far. Grandpa ain't even got arrows going yet this morning. He's sleeping on the job. And we're off to the races. We'll put some arrows on here and get her rocking and rolling. The arrows are based on the Heikin ASHI reverse engulfing method. That's how it is. And we have a buy signal. I think she's, it's pre-market. We got 10 minutes to the open, and she's going to go both ways and sideways. That's what she's going to do. Grandpa's currently short in Tesla. He shorted earlier this morning. Grandpa's, well, depends on which open. You have an open at 4 a.m. with the Chinese and Moo. I can't even trade that one, but they did go up over 215. And in the 7 o'clock area, when we can trade, it did go up in the 214.5 area. So I shorted up there, but I'm looking for this when this death or this golden cross might occur if I can figure it out. Right now they're running down together. If I can figure it out, I will go long. Simple as that. Yeah, NVIDIA's just, she's just having fun. I have to place them on NVIDIA here. I can't do it off screen. The arrows. What the world did I do? Grandpa's half asleep. Boy, did we have a thunderstorm last night. Wow. And I think we got just about 2 inches. Just about 2 inches of rain. So currently a sell in NVIDIA and currently a buy in Tesla. 5-minute charts, reverse engulfing method, smart arrows. These arrows know stuff. And that is a fact. We're going to be relaxed today. Boy, it's been just humid and hot here. I'm expecting this buy arrow here to become a sell arrow very shortly. Potentially somewhere, I'm thinking it's too early to know. I mean, this thing could go all the way to 205 Tesla and 204, but I'm thinking around 29, 210. We might get that golden cross. Put it this way, I think we might have an opportunity to buy long at 209, 210. It's just speculating at this point. This looks like it was going to be a bull flag, and I hope so because I'm short. This is exactly why in a sideways market like in pre-market here, trading the arrows or trading in a smaller time frame, you'd have a chance to make 50 cents, get out, on the spike up. But and it's too early to know. Truthfully, how old is that candle? Oh, it's getting there. It's 4 minutes old. So it looks like it's going to be a red candle. However, we don't know if the next one will be too red. Probably will be. Yeah, NVIDIA is moving straight sideways into the open right now, and Tesla's virtually doing the same thing. We don't know our direction yet, by no means. But if the direction is up, this line will turn and go up through the yellow 200 moving average. The 50 will turn and go up through it at some point, and wherever they cross, we should expect $3 above whatever point it crosses at. So, if it crosses at 213.5, like I said, we're looking at 216.5. But the way this thing is looking, she's just running straight down together for right now. I'm thinking, anybody can guess where it's going to turn. 2.9, 2.10, 2.11. And if it turns at 2.11, you're looking at 2.14. You'd at the least, and but also your potential of 2.21, 2.23. Oh, it's fun. It's exciting. Tesla's moving along. Oh, this was an absolute bull flag. I'm trying to see if we actually have a clean sell signal at this point. And we do. Yeah, that was a quick reversal. That'll kill you. If that don't kill you, nothing will. If you bought that candle, you're sad. Well, you're not happy at least. But Grandpa's happy. Grandpa is going short. So far, Grandpa's happy. So far, Grandpa's happy. I'm not trying to do nothing big here. I'm just got a few shares. Gonna get rid of them all. If it goes down to 211.20, I'm not. I was hoping to get it even right at the open, and then play some more. We're getting closer. She's gonna, oh, look at this thing bounce around. Wow. Sell arrow, buy arrow. Oh, I put that candle went on too soon. That's obvious. That was, what time was that thing? I don't know. So we're currently still under that buy signal in Tesla. However, this thing gets pretty wild. We'll see where she goes. And NVIDIA's a little bit calmer than Tesla right now. It's moving sideways. How old is this candle? I gotta get my thing over here. This one right here, this indecision prior to the open. 1 minute to the open. Well, this candle is about 10 seconds from finishing. We're getting real close to the open. 5 seconds to the open. Green candle. And she's off to the races. Looks like we might just get us a golden cross here shortly. And where would it hit? 213.5. Possibly $3 give us 216.5. That's what I'm thinking. Oh. Yeah, she's heading up, up, and away. Well, we didn't get 214.5 at the open, but we got it within a minute. Grandpa. I'll tell you what, picking the open is, I picked it in the pre-market, and I picked it 1 minute after the open. So that ain't too bad for an old guy. Oh. Yeah, it thundered, lightning. Murphy was scared to death, whining. He's not the bravest when there's thunder and lightning around. It'll be fun to see where this golden cross hits. I want to short the top of the golden cross, what Grandpa wants to do. It's just Grandpa. Oh, we got it rocking and rolling in NVDA here too. Grandpa should only do Tesla because I don't know that much about NVIDIA. It's a volatile stock, though. Look how these two crazy stocks are still running together. It's just mind-boggling. For the last 2 days, they've just about mirrored each other going up and down. So, Grandpa's opinion, and this is only opinion, I believe we're going to go up a ways here. I don't know how high, 217 to 221, whatever, and I think it's going to reverse on us and head straight on down again, which would be fine, but maybe not. We do not know. Let's see, what do we got for a high here in Tesla? We've hit 215.67. Oh boy, high of the day. And in NVIDIA, we have hit 126.58. Heading up, up. So $3 from up from where this thing hits, 213.50, guessing, that it might hit there. Too early to know. It could hit at 2.4. Well, yeah, 213.50. If the golden cross hits, that'll give you 216.50. At a minimum, right around that area, 216.5 at a minimum, and but we ain't got it yet. But she sure looks like it's coming together here. This golden cross, where the 50. I just have, I'm kind of a simple person, so I have simple moving averages. The 200 simple moving average and the 50 simple moving average. Some guys use the simple exponential and all this and that. Grandpa don't know how to spell exponential, so he uses the simple moving average. And it seems to work extremely well for giving golden crosses and death crosses in the 5-minute chart. So I don't plan on changing it. I think it's a real a real opportunity. Yeah, I don't know. This is a strange one here with this golden cross. The blue line is turned and coming up. The yellow's still coming down. I believe they're going to hit. It's a question of how much it gives us up above it. I'm thinking right around 217 to 221 is what it's going to do, possibly. I do not know. It might not even hit if we get a reversal candle and she starts coming down, this thing could change dramatically without it hitting. It ain't hit yet, because that blue line will turn and start going down with the yellow one again. See how they've been coming down about a 1/4 inch apart here? Well, it looks like it's going to do it again. I'm anticipating some red. I'm anticipating a white smart arrow fairly soon, possibly. What a monster candle. How old is that candle? 3.5 minutes. Well, I just made my money. That was nice. On one arrow. How big is this 211.10, 215.50, 4.40, $4.40 in a 5-minute candle. That is pretty impressive. Usually you don't get over a $4 candle in a 5-minute chart. Very rare. This is pretty spectacular, and I don't think it's quite done yet. So, and it did all this without even giving us a sell signal or nothing. We might get one yet. We got 15 seconds, 10 seconds left of this this thing here. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Was that exciting or what? Look at this thing go down. Grandpa should have never sold his shares. I'd have been rich. They should have, well, they would have had to name me Richard then. But they didn't. They just named me Grandpa. That's all they did. They just named Grandpa Grandpa. Absolutely nasty, this thing. But Grandpa did excellent. I'm not whining and crying, I can tell you that. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. We'll look for another opportunity. That's what we'll do. Just crazy. Okay, so this candle is a whopping, not even in a minute and a half. This monster here, look at that indecision candle. That's the one that made Grandpa the money. And she has gone down to 210.22. We still have the potential of this golden cross, and she's starting to look prettier. We still have the potential of that golden cross coming, but we're going to have to adjust where it's coming at. Will we get a golden cross today? I think so. I really do. I think we're gonna get a golden cross just like we have. Let's see, what time is it? I got. Looks like NVIDIA's gonna get a sell signal. We had a buy signal and we bounced up quite a bit on that deal, but the problem is it looks like we're going to get a sell signal in NVIDIA. It's too early. Too early. Look at that thing go. Still too early. The candle's almost 3 minutes. Oh, we got some movement here. Unreal. 209.60 for a low. And Grandpa was just very fortunate. I got in early on short and picked up a little bit. And that's how that goes. Sometimes you luck out. I'm not trying to get rich. I'm just having fun. Oh. And that's all I know about that. Time is it? 9:45, just about. Oh man, hey, Grandpa's getting pretty good at these arrows. want to make them as white as possible for visibility. And then you always want to make them extra large. I just really like those white arrows. They're smart, they're intelligent, they know what's going on. When they tell you it's going down, it's going down. And when they tell you it's going up, it's going up. That's just the way it is. That's, but what it really is the reverse engulfing. Like back up here in the video, you got the big green followed by two green indecisions that fit in, the body of them fit into the previous one. You got your red candle, even though it's indecision, and off you go. You're going down. That was a fairly decent run down in the video. It's just amazing to me how NVIDIA and Tesla, they both go up and they both go down. You'd think they were the same stock. It's just, I don't know. We got a new low at 209.33 in Tesla. And we have 123.86 in. I'm thinking maybe NVIDIA's going to sail down there and take out that 115.50 area. I think she might touch it. And but NVIDIA is a buy in the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. And I think NVIDIA is just very possibly a short-term jag down here, wherever it ends up, whether it's 215.5 or 216 or 217, whatever it decides to do. And I think she's going to reverse and try to come back to the 230, 240 range. I'm going to make it smaller so you can see back here we got 231. I think NVIDIA's very likely going to reverse and head back up. It might be a heck of a buying opportunity if you can get it in that 215.5 area, 215, 216, 217. It could be just a golden opportunity to get a run up into the 130 range. That's what Grandpa thinks, and I don't even trade NVIDIA, but I might. I just might. If that thing dips down good enough for us, we just might become NVIDIA owners. Well, why not? Why not? So, here we go with Tesla. And now Tesla's a different ball game. You know, we got potential for this thing just to run all the way down to 204, 203, 201. She's bearish. I'll tell you what, surprises Grandpa every day. I already made my money on Tesla today. I should retire. Oh, I am retired. Whatever. Grandpa's retired. I'm thinking about buying long. But it's what's going on with our Golden Cross. You know, that Golden Cross, let's see, from the place where it hits, if it would turn 213.25, 216.25 potentially, and that would be fun. That would be fun. I think this thing is turning up on us. That's what Grandpa thinks. I think this thing is turning up on us. That's what I'm seeing here. Yeah, I did good on that short. Well, I had to go short because it was a sell arrow. Well, I don't think I even put there. I don't think the arrow was in there. I went short earlier on today. Yeah. 209.33. How low will she go? Will the death cross play out? I think, I mean Golden Cross. In the 2 minute, in Tesla, we had a Golden Cross or a Death Cross. I believe it was a Death Cross early this morning. Let me go to the 2 minute chart. Okay, here's your lines. Let me go back here. I believe, yes, we did. Right there, we had a death cross in Tesla in the 2 minute early on. And look what she did. She really played out, actually. But now we're looking at getting a golden cross. Where did that thing hit? 213.45. 213.45. 213.45. So we got solid $4 out of a 2 minute death cross. This off of that. I seen that this morning. I thought, oh boy, Grandpa, better go short, and I did. And then I thought, oh boy, I better quit thinking. It's moving sideways. So then I quit thinking. Man, life, what a mess. Giant candles, the video reversed. Look at how it got pushed back up here. Look at that. Holds that candle. Yeah. It ain't even a buy signal. In reverse engulfing, I cannot turn this into a buy signal. I'm sorry. I don't know what's going to happen, but we have a sell signal, but that I'm starting to think that there's no system that's exactly perfect. It's possible. It is possible. Well, we do have a buy signal in Tesla again. I think. What did I put that thing on? Oh, I'm on the 2 minute chart yet. Grandpa's crazy. I better quit goofing around. Yeah, we're still in a cell signal. 2 minute, the 2 minute is turning, but that don't mean beans. That's sh- short trade. Wow, look at the video go, and I have no arrow to give it. I cannot give that an arrow. I'm trying to think of any way I can justify it. In the video, she I've noticed the other day it doesn't respond as quite as good as Tesla to the reverse engulfing method. Uh, but she is sailing up, and there's no arrow. That if that's a bull flag, it's an awful big one. It's a $3 bull flag, and that's a lot. Yipper. Looks like we might get a buy signal in Tesla. Yeah, I'd love to put a green arrow underneath there, but I can't. All I could do is remove the sell arrow because this was virtually a $2.50 bear flag. But on the other hand, it was a true sell signal, so I don't want to mess it up. But this is not a buy signal. Unreal. I can't wait to find out what it's going to do. Is it possible that this is a monster bull flag? Is Grandpa gone completely crazy? I don't know. Okay, so let's see. All of these candles, almost 4 minutes old. Almost. Another 15 seconds. There'll be 4 minutes. Still under a sell signal. New low at 209.33. This death cross ain't going to hit anytime soon. Looks like it might potentially hit around 213, which would mean 216 at a minimum on the top side. But she's not looking like it yet. And I have seen where these two will get together and just run across the screen together, touching, zoom, and then take off one way. Or I've seen where the blue one will come up and go through it, giving you a golden cross just for a little bit, and then reverse and come down through it and give you a death cross. I'm almost thinking that might be what it'll do, a golden cross, just briefly for, $2.50 or something like that. Reverse, come back down through it and head for 201. Or 200. Yeah, I have never seen this before where I couldn't give a buy signal to a the only way I could say it is if you, and this is a hammer candle. she got pushed back just terrifically hard with these wicks. And 208.92, new low in Tesla. Tesla is going down, down, down. Grandpa should have never bought back his short. I'd be richer than richer, but I made good money. I'm happy. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with this NVDA. It's just 208.92. New low in Tesla heading for 204, 203, 201. That thing closes below 204, 203 area. You better start looking for 160. Yipper, Grandpa's gonna have fun. I want it to go up so I can get some more shorts. I'm hoping it will bounce. Boy, I'm glad I shorted this pre-market. Wow. Oh. Let's see. I got people talking to me on cargo. Jeff says, listen. Cargo says, did you lose power last night during the storms? Nope. Cargo, we did not. Clutch Cargo. Near Lake Superior. Yep, we are. We're a quarter mile off the lake. Jeff wants to know if I'm short. Well, I'm 6'1.5", but Grandma said the other day she thinks I'm getting shorter. And Cargo's about 5'11". And I think Jeff and Cargo are getting along pretty good. I'll send them some hearts. You guys are getting hearts. Okay, I hope you liked them. Oh, I'm sure glad I don't trade NVIDIA because my arrows don't want to give them a buy signal. I gotta get rid of these emojis. Who would have all these bad emojis? I like nice emojis. Okay, what color candles do you guys want? I'll give you one of each. Well, I'll send that one first. Then I'll send you this pretty blue one. Now these are for Cargo and Jeff, or who they like hearts. The reason Grandpa sends hearts is he can't type. Okay, so we got these guys are visiting. Now I put emojis on and I don't see my chat. Says engage with your audience. Okay, what do we got? New low 208.81 in Tesla. I got too many screens. That's what I got. Too many screens to look at. Oh, let's see here. What time is it? Oh, I gotta get that. 10:04. 1 minute left in this red candle, and we'll get the next red candle. Is NVIDIA gonna give us another sell signal shortly? Very possibly. because we sure didn't get a buy signal, and that's nasty. That is nasty. 125 to 127, $2.60, and I didn't even get a buy signal. And looks like we're might get another green candle, possibly. Well, at least Cargo and Jeff are visiting with each other. Grandpa's so goofy he don't even see they're doing it. They're carrying on a conversation. They're having fun. Now what's going on with this thing? I don't. Oh, there I got it to go on the hearts. So, Tesla, new low, 208.50 and dropping, heading for 205. I ought to just start shorting this thing again. It looks like we're going to get a sell arrow in NVDA potentially here. This candle's a minute and a half. It's too early yet. Too early. We got to get as volatile as these guys are. We got to get into it about three and a half minutes. Oh, yeah. What's that? The Edmund Fitzgerald. Yeah, it sank right out front here, I guess. That was a nasty deal. You know, I like that song. But whatever. I think, well, this candle's 2 minutes old, almost 2.5. Looks like it's going to be an indecision. Well, maybe not. She's heading down. She's heading down. Oh, man. New low, 208.20. Grandpa ought to short it again. I'm thinking about it. Grandpa's thinking. I'm in no rush to do nothing. I got my fill on the second candle of the day, and I'm as happy as a pig in mud. I'm as happy as a pig in mud. Yeah, I thought we were going to get that golden cross, but she's just now the 50 moving average is running away from the 200. So she's you know, we go down to 204 and we get a golden cross. Might get up to 207, and we're already at 208. You just don't know. Yeah, I thought, you know, it came close to coming together. And then we got those couple spikes in the first 10 minutes in Tesla. I thought, whoa, this thing is gonna do something. But alas, it didn't. Yipper. She's gonna do it. Grandpa's getting better at charting. which is absolutely amazing for Grandpa, you know. And I apologize, but I could not give this $2.60 bounce up an ARROW even. I have nothing in the reverse engulfing method that it would be a total lie. It would be a total lie if I put a green arrow under there, or if the arrows put a green arrow under there. In with reverse and hiking ASHI Japanese method, it will not give that an arrow. I do know that different systems work better. It's the same thing with the Golden Cross and the Death Cross. Different stocks are more susceptible to working well with them. Some don't work with them at all, hardly. So they're not any indication whatsoever. But Tesla and NVDA work real well with the Golden Cross and the Death Cross when they happen. And Tesla responds extremely well to the reverse engulfing method. However, I'm not nearly as impressed with NVIDIA and reverse engulfing method, but it could be just a fluke. And here, again, it looks like we got an absolute indecision candle and a fake out. This is absolute sell signal again, and what's NVIDIA doing? They're going straight up. So that ain't looking pretty there. But nothing I can do about it. All I can do is do what it does. Now, Tesla, on the other hand, we got our arrow. We're going down, and we are looking pretty. We are looking pretty. Yeah, we got 2 sell arrows in NVIDIA, and so far it's just going up. Oh, boy. And let's see. New low at 208.08. Grandpa's looking for a buying opportunity in Tesla is what I'm looking for. Currently, I'm going to buy the bounce, the potential bounce, before it goes down to 160. I mean, 201, 203, 204. Where will she bottom out? And I don't know if I'll go in today. Well, it's just a miracle that Grandpa made a little money on that short. I just don't know how I did it. It was a miracle. What is NVIDIA gonna do? Yeah, they singing the song that 115.50 in NVIDIA's potential here, very near term, and then they're singing 130 and possibly going up and testing the high in the 140 range, and because the dominant trend in NVIDIA is up, so I wish it would quit giving us sell signals in it. And It's not like that supercomputer we're playing against doesn't know all about hiking ASHI and all that stuff, and set it up so that you get false signals, I would imagine. I don't know. In Tesla, I don't seem to have that issue ever. I ain't never seen nothing like what's going on with NVDA. And she is going up. A matter of fact, it is a buy signal again. If Grandpa was paying attention, it'd already be there. Let's see. What time is it? Oh, it's a little early in the candle, but this is engulfed into that. So we absolutely got a buy signal. Would have been nice to have the buy signal down at the bottom. That's Grandpa's opinion. You watch, we'll get this buy signal and the thing will reverse and go straight down. It is possible. Grandma's running around. Yeah, I think we got about 1.5 inches, close to 2 inches. Nice storm. Beautiful storm. So if you went short here, you ain't happy because you lost money. If you went short there, you might have made some if you got out, but we had no reversal signal. Just a mess. Absolute mess. Oh, man. Hey, new low in Tesla, 207.17 and falling fast. 207.07 and falling fast. I'm almost thinking about shorting it again. Oh, I got the wrong computer. I got too many computers. I don't know. Should a guy jump on that bandwagon and pick up a little more money? I just don't know. I'll wait for, I don't know. I hate to mess up my day. If I buy it, I might be stuck with it overnight. I don't want to be stuck overnight. I already made my money for today. That's the problem. You make your money for the day early, right away. Then you got nothing to do. Just sit around and be gloomy and whine and cry. Ooh. Well, I wonder why, oh, there it is. I'm trying to see their chat. It's off the screen for some reason. Something about despair. I'm trying to figure out how to adjust it so I can see it. They're, okay, Jeff says Tesla is testing the depths of our despair. Very good. Oh, I can scroll this thing. I don't like how I got it set up. It's showing me a lot of stuff that I don't want to see. And I don't know how to run chat. Tesla is testing the depths of our despair. That's what he says. Well, you got that right. We're going to have a cell signal in NVDA shortly. Oh, another one. I can't deal with it. If this candle is red, it's a cell signal. All day long. And most likely sideways movement. It's getting close to 10:30. Everything moves sideways. And it's getting close to the time of day where I'm curious what Tesla's going to do here. 206.94 new low in Tesla. And NVIDIA's moving sideways. Tesla's moving straight down. Okay. I'm going to let you guys visit on chat for a while. Cargo and Jeff, they're having fun today. Grandpa will be right back. I gotta warm my coffee up, okay? I'll see you in 3-4 minutes. If anything happens, let me know. Hey. Hey, come here. Grandma. Well, Grandpa's back. We have a reversal buy signal in Tesla. Currently, we have a low of 206.94, and she's heading up at 10:30. How high will it go? I do not know. I do not know how high it will go. I hope it goes really high so I can short it again. That's all I know. But I'm done for the day as far as Grandpa's trading. I was done trading in the first 10 minutes, about 7 minutes, 8 minutes into the day. I was out. Grandpa always takes his profits early, seems like. I don't know. At least it's a profit. And NVDA is running up and away. Yipper. Well, we have a buy in the Tesla. Hey, Grandma, you better get Murphy. Jeff is kind of a poet. Amazing. He made another one. Amazing commentary once again. Proving entertainment can be inexpensive. You got that right. Grandma said about 5 minutes ago when I went outside and got my coffee and stuff heated up, and Grandma goes, "Nobody's gonna listen to you." She goes, "You're too indecisive, and you need to be more decisive." Well, I don't know. I'm in an indecisive mood today. I hope you're making money there, Cargo and Jeff. Hope these smart arrows are able to help you in your situation. Grandpa's waiting for tomorrow. Hey, tomorrow's Wednesday, church day, and we're going to load up Sam's stuff. And I got a storage shed here on my place. I ran out. We're going to start loading it up and taking it to their new home. They got a beautiful place, just a beautiful place. Good times. And Dustin, he got his cows back. They came home. He's got them in a pen, bought hay. And so that's what's going on there. They were running the neighborhood for 2 weeks, eating the neighbor's apples, eating his apples. You know, the deer up here and the bear and everything else, there are apple trees everywhere. Within a half a mile of my son's place, which is 7 miles from here, there's got to be several hundred apple trees, mature apple trees. And they're like their own forest, you know. And there's other trees growing in there with them, but they're just, I never seen a place like this that has so many apples trees. They're, like I said the other day when I was mowing the church lawn, they little fawns came out and were standing under the apple tree eating apples while I was mowing right near them. They ain't scared at all. So Tesla's heading up. How high will it go? Will we get a golden cross today? Will we get a golden cross today? That is the question. I don't know. I don't think it's going to happen by 11:15, but it could. If this thing keeps bouncing up, she could give us a golden cross, or it could go up through it, reverse back down, and give us another death cross. Probably more likely than anything. I've seen that before several times where it'll just go, the blue line will go above the yellow one, 1/4 inch, not even 1/8 of an inch, and give you a quick golden cross and then come right back down through and give you a death cross. That's nasty. That's kind of what I'm anticipating might just happen here, and then our new low of 206.94 will turn into a new low of 204 or 203 or 201, possibly. So, yeah, she was a rough day for trading. I'm glad I got in early on my sell signal and hung with it, but did I do it perfect? No, I sure didn't. That first green arrow, I didn't even dare short it. I should have shorted more. Against it, and then by the time we got the sell signal, I had already gotten out of all my positions, and I thought, oh. And what would Grandpa have made? What would anybody have made? If you did this arrow, you'd be shorting it at 212. Oh, 212, and you wouldn't, if you followed the arrows, you wouldn't have got out till 208.5. So $3, $3.50 would have made. So I guess I should have done it. I guess Grandpa should have done it, but he didn't do it. I was so happy I made money, I didn't even think about doing it. Oh, boy. So we just wait for tomorrow. That's what Grandpa does. I just get whatever I get, wait for tomorrow, do it again. My way of thinking is if you make money once a day, you made money once a day. Let's see, if you make money once a day, you make money once a day. Concurrent viewers. Yepper. I think I scared all my followers away with NVDA today. That was wild that it wouldn't give me a sell signal on that $2.60 straight up. That was not pretty. And then it gave a sell signal and a reversal buy signal. That's a money loser. I don't think it's responding real well to NVIDIA, to be honest with you. But it sure does with Tesla. I might just go back to only doing Tesla because it's almost more. I don't trade NVIDIA, and it's almost more than Grandpa's brain can handle. I'll see what Jeff says, what he thinks. I just, my heart isn't in NVIDIA. I don't care about it. There's a lot of people buying and selling that stock. Grandma, you better let Murphy in. He's barking at the neighbors. I can't. I gotta do a live stream. What? I can't. I have to entertain Jeff and everybody. And Cargo. Well, I'm curious who that Cargo is. Cargo, do you live up here in, are you here? Do you live up here in the UP? Did he say, Jeff, did Cargo say where he's from? He's probably from Iowa or Georgia. That's possible. I know some crazy people there. But they're very good looking and very intelligent. Yeah, I was saying yesterday, you want to surround yourself with, if you're going to have any friends, you want them to be smart, intelligent. You always want your friends to be smarter than you. That way you improve yourself by being around them. That's what Grandpa tries to do. I try to pick out smart, intelligent friends. They can type. They know computer stuff. They're self-sufficient. They got all the good qualities. And that's what Grandpa does. If you surround yourself with idiots, you're going to be an idiot. So it's true for young people also, Young people, they get in the wrong crowd of goofballs and they turn into a goofball. To have a real smart kid be a complete idiot, So you gotta think about who you're hanging around. Boy, Tesla is just, NVIDIA is just flying up over 128, heading for 130. I thought it might go down to that 115.50. She at least dipped down. She came down quite a bit, but just about, she went into the 123.90 range, and she turned around in a big way. What hurts Grandpa is it didn't even give me a reversal signal. Period. That's nasty. That is nasty. But she's a buy signal now. And she's sailing higher and higher. I better go let that hound dog in. He's barking at the neighbor lady. She'll come over here and yell and scream at Grandpa. That's what happens. Are we going to get a Golden Cross? We're getting fairly close to getting a Golden Cross in NVIDIA. That if we get a Golden Cross in NVIDIA, you're probably going to see 140. You're probably going to see 140 in NVIDIA. She's coming up. She's coming together. NVDA could be going for 140. Let's see. Yeah, if she hits around 126, if she hits around 126.70, that would mean at least 129.70. And that looks like a real possibility. 130, and as you know, a golden cross can be worth up to $12 or so. So you're up to 140. She's heading up. If Grandpa was smart, he'd be buying it. Grandpa's not that smart. Grandpa's waiting for tomorrow. I'm gonna go find Murphy. I'll be back in a little bit. Jeff, you entertain him with chat while I'm gone. Cargo, where'd you go? Yeah, this trading is a rough job. It's a rough game. I'm curious to find out whether Jeff actually bought a share or not today, or sold one way or the other. I hope he went short. That's all I hope. And I hope he got back out. Okay. I'll see you in a little bit. Yipper, we are having an exciting day in Tesla and NVDA. The race is on. Which one will go up faster? That is the question. We are in a buy signal in NVIDIA. We're in a buy signal in Tesla. Tesla has a new low of 206.94. And she is rocking and rolling. The S&P is up. The NASDAQ is up. And the Dow Jones is down. Ever so slightly. So, the indexes are being pulled up by NVIDIA and Tesla. Are we going to get a reversal signal here in NVIDIA? Not yet. Not yet. No reason to do anything. Yeah, Jeff says it's amazing commentary. He must be referring to my commentary. Once again, proving entertainment can be inexpensive. I love it. That's a good one. I'll tell you, that Jeff is quite a writer. Let's see, what else does he say? Tesla is testing the depths of our despair. I hope you bought a share today. Just then you could say how much money you made and make Grandpa happy. Don't you want to make Grandpa happy? Cargo and Jeff? Oh, I guess not. I don't blame him. We are watching Tesla go up. We're watching NVIDIA go up. It's like watching paint dry. You gotta have the patience of Job to do this. Oh boy. Not too long till Grandpa's nap time. I did not sleep well. Murphy was just terrified of the thunderstorm. I mean, it rumbled, it bumbled, it banged, it blew. The whole house was shaking. And I even turned the TV on and turned up the volume, thinking he'd get over being scared. You know, that helped a little bit. He was crawling underneath my computer desk. I was scared he was going to unplug everything. He wouldn't lay on his blankie. Now we got steady drizzle, just light drizzle, just absolutely beautiful. And we need the moisture up here. We need the moisture. The guy got all the hay put up perfectly over at my son's place. All the grass hay, alfalfa grass mix. They got all that put up without rain. So, you know, if it rains on hay in the windrow, it reduces the value of it, makes it dusty, and you end up with dusty hay and low quality. So yeah, he got it up nice. It's just beautiful stuff. Beautiful round bales. Once it's baled into the round bale, most of the rain goes off of it. You know, you lose quality of an inch around the outside of the bale is about it. The rest of it's just beautiful. Okay, so Tesla's moving along slowly, inching its way back up. Gonna make that golden cross. NVIDIA's moving up slowly, gonna make that golden cross. Will they do it within 20 minutes when Grandpa turns into a pumpkin at 11:15? I don't know. We're currently under a buy signal in both Tesla and NVDA. Jeff must have went on break. So he ain't talking. I wonder if I got any messages. Text. Nope. Oh, yeah, I do. Well, it's two bigger cows got out this morning. Two of his. Well, that's not good. Yeah. Well, the problem he's got is he's not. Okay, when the computer went out in the truck, did it go completely dead? No gauge working, nothing. Oh, man. Yeah, the computer might be out of the truck. I'm texting my son about the truck. I've had it where the truck would not run. So that's what's going on there. When did he send that to me? 10:48, 10 minutes ago. That's all he needs. Yeah, and he's on his way to Tennessee. He's already got a reload book, so he can't be messing around. But it don't take long to put the computer in. Okay, I told him it doesn't take long to replace the computer. NVIDIA's up at 128.56 and 57 and heading for 130 area. Tesla's up around 210.30, 210.50. And who knows where that's headed. Don't shut it off. Bull flag, bear flag, Jeff wants me to talk about. They got 1.75 inches. Okay, what Ed would say. Yeah, the truck shut down. It's the computer. Nasty. Okay, I'm going to have to help him or talk to him, give him a little advice probably on computers, on the truck, because I've been through this before in the past with the same truck. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to quit 12 minutes early here. We're under a buy signal in Tesla. Well, I'll just let it run. That's what I'll do. I'll let it run here, and I'll lay my thing down, and then I'll call Ed and talk to him about this truck. And when I'm done talking, I'll come back and say hello. So we'll just let these charts run. You're under a buy signal in NVDA and Tesla. Computer might be out of Ed's truck. There's another couple thousand. Hello? Hello? Oh, are you there? Yeah, where are you at? Yeah, hello? Where are you at? I'm happy to see I didn't miss anything. Let's see, what do we got? Uh, just about 3 minute indecision candle in Tesla. And he managed to get off onto a ramp before the truck killed completely. It is the computer. And he's got a mechanic over there. And they got it running, wiggling the wires around on the computer. The computer's shot, and so they're gonna try to get a used computer, probably 1,700 to 2,000 for that. It's easy, quick to install at least, and they can get them. They get a rebuilt or a used one, either way, just so it works. And off you go. I can't remember what a new one costs. Jeff, do you know? I don't know what a new computer costs for the truck, but they're not cheap, I know that. 3,000-4,000, something like that. So, it's not all profit in the real world. That's a fact. But main thing is he gets it going so he can get his load off and get his reload. He's usually way ahead of the game. That's why you when you're in trucking and you're booking loads and for your delivery and your stuff like that, you want to be down the road as far as you can and early in case you have a breakdown, so that you have a little bit of leeway to time to get it fixed, so you can don't have to cancel all your loads and reschedule them and turn it into a complete nightmare. That's a nasty deal. So Tesla, 210.15, 210.20. She's absolutely been moving sideways again. NVDA, however, is just sailing straight up, 128.83, 85 area, heading for that 130, 131 range, and tomorrow or the next day may see that. I think NVIDIA is going to go up and test the high. It almost looked like it's going to go up to the 141 and test the high. And if she breaks through it, if NVIDIA closes above that high, she could just run. We might have seen the low here in NVIDIA for a while. Very likely. Fun times. Grandpa don't care, because Grandpa does his one trade. I like to do my one trade at the beginning of the day, get my money, sit back and act smart the rest of the day. And if you can catch the first run, and I don't do very good at. I'm not comfortable here. That's the problem. We're in Grandpa's opinion in Tesla, we're too much in the middle of the range. I don't want to buy. I don't want to sell. I don't. I'm almost doing more of a scalp almost, because I know Tesla can reverse so quickly and either direction and go $10-20. That's why I don't want to stay in ever overnight anymore, because you can wake up in the morning and it gap $20 on you. Or can just take off and move $20 in an hour or two, and you don't want to be on the wrong side of it. I can tell you that. I have great respect for the supercomputer we're playing against, and we are playing against the supercomputer. That is a fact. We might have a reversal cell signal in Tesla coming up shortly. It's too early to tell. Too early to tell yet, but it looks like it's coming. So, we will see. Will we? Will this arrow, if this candle stays red, and the only reason it would be a reverse is because this is indecision. So, hang on, I'll be back. Yeah. Oh, did you get it over there?
No, you won't stay running.
Right. That I ran into the same problem.
Yeah, and I'm on so I'm on the off ramp, 100 feet from the bottom of the ramp on the shoulder,
Yeah.
And their shop is just under I'd have to take left under that overpass, and then up right into their driveway. So I'm very close, but it won't stay running. This is a really busy road with trucks, and I don't want to be just.
Right. Can he just bring the computer and put it on there?
No. So their tow truck is coming.
Okay.
The tow truck is coming.
Okay. Well, hey, I think you have tow truck insurance.
Yeah, I don't know if it's worth it. I'll see what he wants to charge me to pull it over there.
Yeah.
You know.
It's the same outfit that's gonna do the repair, right?
No.
Oh, different outfit. Okay.
Right. But they're all in cahoots, or they know each other. He knew of like 4 different tow truck companies and just call.
Right. Yeah, the pickle place in Texas, right, Fort Worth, I believe. That dill pit where they got the big green, I call them pickles, but I think it was something else. But you loaded there before too. It happened right in the door, and I got it started like 3 times, and then finally it wouldn't keep running at all.
Yeah.
And so I got it towed to their shop and rode with the guy over there, and they put in a used computer down there in Fort Worth.
Sure.
I believe that's the last one they put in.
Yeah.
That's,
So it's right there on the side of the motor, kind of by the starter.
yeah.
And if it, I would start it, he would wiggle the wires, and I could get it started. And, instead of going into the computer.
Yeah.
But like if I was to shut the door or bump the steering wheel, it would be enough to
Shut it off. Yeah, you got to get started over. Either that or he could fix it on the side of the road if he brought that computer. Don't let him do a bunch of weird testing and stuff. Just put the computer in.
Right.
Tell him I just want the computer put in. How much? Because 99 and to have them test the other computer, you want to make sure that they're putting in a computer that works.
Right.
That's always important. But yeah, second they put it'll take them long. Within an hour they'll have that thing in, and so should at least not lose your loads,
Right.
you know. Bad enough breaking down, but it's even worse if you lose your loads.
Right.
Then it's nasty. Tesla went down to 206.94 today.
Yeah.
But don't worry, your daddy was short. I made my money within 7 minutes of the open.
Really? How many dollars did you gain?
I only gained $2, but I only gained $2, and I have potential to gain much more. But I just don't feel comfortable. We're in a bad spot here in the range, in Grandpa's opinion. I just don't feel comfortable. I want to take my profit. That's how I feel. I make my one trade a day, take my money, and run for the hills. And that's all I know about that.
Yeah.
But I do know that NVDA doesn't respond as well as Tesla to my reverse engulfing, so I'm not at all. I think I might just plain give up on NVDA because it works with it to some degree, but it did a $2.60 move and there was no buy signal and it went straight up. You know, yeah. It absolutely. I've never had that happen with Tesla. You know, where you get no signal. So, I mean, I need something that works well with what I'm doing,
Right.
and I already got that. How far away is the tow truck guy?
He was only like 5 miles from where he's at, so he has to go around. He can't go on this road that I'm on.
Oh, great.
Whatever.
Yeah.
You're Kirkland, Iowa is where he was at. I'm at like the 2 mile marker in Missouri at the Flying J.
Yeah, are you ahead of schedule somewhat, so you got a little time, or?
Yeah, so I'm exactly 500 miles away, maybe 490. And I deliver at 6 in the morning.
Oh, you got all the time in the world.
I got all day. Yeah.
Yeah.
They can fix it today. And I told them to go back there and work on getting me my ECM.
Yeah, well, there's no reason why they can't. Did you ask them how much a new one is?
But this guy doesn't know anything.
Okay,
He's not that guy.
okay.
He's number 3.
Okay.
Maybe number 5.
Well, you're breaking up a little bit.
I had to get out in the shade. Hot in there.
Oh, you got heat. Boy, if we get rain, we got almost 2 inches.
Okay. Yeah, I'm ahead of all the storms. It'd be nice if they could pass me and I could drive on the other side of it.
Okay.
Yeah, she's better than dead.
Yeah. Yeah, it's amazing, these two stocks, how they run the same. It's just, this is the 3rd day in a row that they've just mirrored each other. I can't even believe it. You'd think they were the same stock. got Crazy Jeff Mom, and I got some other guy named Cargo. They come on, they literally chat between each other.
Well,
Uh,
that's good.
they're having fun. Here's Jeff's, just a few. He says, Tesla is testing the depths of our despair. And then he goes, amazing commentary once again, proving entertainment can be inexpensive. You know, listening to Grandpa rattle away about absolutely nothing. So, well, you know, and I thought about jumping back on after I sold my shorts, you know, seeing it go down, but it can reverse so quick, Ed, and I already made good profit for the day, and I'll make I make a good profit every day in, just, I don't wanna trade sideways at 10:30, you know, 11:30. I think back of all the times I lost money trying to trade, you know, 11 to 11:30 and just giving up all my profits for the day that I'd made in the early going, and I don't want to do it no more. In and out, back and forth, you know, that and shopping, and that's what Tesla's doing right now. They're just gooping around, moving straight sideways in a tight range. Yep. It's literally moving in a dollar range for over an hour. You, yeah. So, are you thinking of a used computer or rebuilt, a new?
I'm not thinking any of it. I gotta see what they come back with prices.
Okay, okay. Then,
What's available, what they can get.
yeah. Well, these guys had one in another truck sitting in their lot, and they took it right off the other truck and stuck it on mine. Well, how they operate it, but I mean, I was down there with the Mexicans,
Right.
and somehow I got them to negotiate on the price. They wanted, I can't remember what it was, 1,700 or 1,800 or whatever. I got them to do it for 1,500 somehow. I can't remember how. I just don't remember the story. But they had mercy on me. But they were quick. I mean, I was in and out of that shop in and out. That's how quick it was. They didn't mess around. Oh, also, they before they install it, they can hook the other computer up to your truck before they.
Make sure it runs.
Right. Before they even take the other one out, they can just disconnect, reconnect to the other one, letting it just lay there. Have them do that. That's what these other guys did. They made sure it worked before they went through the work of removing the other one and replacing it.
Right.
And I remember that.
Okay.
Oh man, well that's been quite a few years ago. Was it the avocado place that had a big green sign?
Yeah, and their avocado, guacamole, holy guacamole probably.
Yep, that's the place. I was backed into their dock. We backed down, sloped down into the dock, And in the door when it happened.
Yeah, I think all the load, when the one load you done since 1 week you done since you were retired, you might have went over there even with Glen Rose.
Yeah, I think you sent me over there again.
Yeah, they haul a lot of that equipment.
Yeah,
Glen Rose, they must not need help. They haven't that stuff in a while.
yeah. Okay.
No, I'm just hearing the heat waiting for the tow truck.
How hot is it? Boy, we got drizzle and cool air now.
Yeah, no, I got none of that. I don't know how hot it is. 200? 200?
Yeah. Wow.
Man, I'm happy it didn't happen on somewhere else. At least I'm right here.
Oh, you lucked out that you got on that off ramp.
Right.
That was a miracle in itself. Did you lose power steering and everything, or
Yep, lost it all.
and just coasted up the ramp?
Yep,
Unreal, boy, that was perfect.
yep, as I was turning on my blinker next and she, shut down.
Whoa.
So I made it to the bottom of the ramp. There's enough room for the tow truck to get in front of me. And, we're off on this road. Just nice.
Whoa. Perfect.
Well, it would have been better to make it over there, but
Yeah.
at this intersection wasn't so busy.
She was a
Now,
busy.
it won't start at all now, though, because what I thought, with every 4 minutes I could get it to start, and now it hasn't started in a long time.
Yeah, I went through the same thing.
Yeah.
Um,
Maybe I should get my hammer out and give it a good whack.
uh,
The reaper's running.
yeah, that's the main thing.
Right.
Well, the beauty of it is it's a quick fix. Yeah.
Right.
I know how I got them to negotiate. I called Timmons, and Timmons said they'd get me a whatever computer for lesser price and send it to me if they had to.
Yeah.
And so I got them to negotiate. That's, because they were going to stab me pretty good.
Sure.
I remember that now. I called Timmons, got his opinion on what I should be spending on. A matter of fact, he had a new one, I think, a rebuilt that I could get for what they were asking for something that was, but that thing lasted a long time. That was many years ago that computer went out. You sure have good luck.
Yeah.
You should have stolen a good computer somewhere,
Yeah.
in advance. Just have one laying around. Yeah, they shouldn't have no problem getting it. Don't let them give me the beans that they can't get one. I'd be on the phone immediately calling around because they're, no reason they, should have to wait till morning or nothing like that for it.
Right.
Otherwise you need a different shop.
Right.
Okay, well, give me a call once you find out what you're gonna get hit with.
Okay.
Okay, good luck. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, looks like they're gonna put in a computer in that thing. He's got to get a tow truck. It will not run, and he's 1 block from the place, but it's through a busy intersection. So Tesla, NVDA, they're both under a cell signal. Imagine that. And moving sideways. If you look at the 2 minute, well, at least Tesla is. NVIDIA seems like it's just heading straight down, but Tesla, Tesla's running in a tight range again. And if I could get my mouse to it, I'll show you. So right around the 210 to little under $209, $1.50 range, if at best, since the 10:30 area to 11:30. So for an hour, it's been in a $1.50 range. Grandpa don't like trade. You can't make money trading that garbage. And NVIDIA's been more straightforward as far as going up and down. But okay, I'm going to call it a day here. We'll come back after the close, Lord willing, and think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does. We'll see you then. Bye-bye. Good luck.